Jury selection began today in the trial of a former Illinois sheriff's deputy accused of killing Sonya Massey in July 2024. Massey called 911 to report a possible prowler near her home. An altercation ensued after Massey went to go turn off the heat on a boiling pot of water on her stove. We want to warn you, the following body camera footage may be disturbing.
Away from your hot steaming water.
Away from my hot steaming water?
Yeah.
Oh, I would rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
I
rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
I swear to God, shoot you right in your face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the pot!
Deputy Sean Grayson was arrested and fired about a week and a half after the incident. He pleaded not guilty to first-degree murder, aggravated battery, and official misconduct. If convicted, Grayson faces 45 years to life in prison. For more, let's bring in Anna Schecter. She's a senior coordinating producer for CBS News' Crime and Public Safety Unit. So, Anna, this case will rely heavily on that body camera footage. What is the prosecution looking to prove here?
Well, it might seem obvious. We just watched Sean Grayson pull that trigger. But the prosecutors have to actually prove this to a jury and have the jury convict him on that murder charge. It's a very high bar. He said in statements immediately after that he felt threatened. He was worried that hot water was going to get thrown to him. I suspect the prosecutor, who's the state's attorney, John Milheim, he is going to lean into he could have just retreated if he felt that way, if he perceived it. When you watch that video, and my team, we've analyzed it in slow motion over and over and over, and it doesn't seem that it was an immediate threat. Now, even if he perceived that, he could have retreated. So that's going to be the question at issue.
And you and the CBS News Crime and Public Safety team also investigated the Sangamon County Sheriff's Office following Massey's death. What did you ultimately find? Could that factor into this case?
Well, we looked back at 20 years of records, and we found 50 cases of alleged civil rights abuses. So allegations of unfair treatment in custody. We found people who died in custody, who were killed in custody. A corrections officer sat on someone who died. A young man went untreated, an infection went untreated, and he died in custody. And we've interviewed the parents and loved ones of these people. So none of that is likely going to factor in. And even the state's attorney, when I spoke to him during the course of our investigation, he was defensive of Sangamon County as a whole, but he identified this case as absolutely criminal, and that's why he immediately brought these charges.
Okay, Anna Schecter, thank you.